Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about a topic Advia. Okay, this is a very interesting story, and this story has been written by a author Sigrun Srivastav. And in this chapter you have to know about a family, and start in the starting of the chapter the author asking a question. The question is, can language create barriers? Okay, it means the boundary will create by the language, and each it is fair to judge people based on their appearance. Okay, it means the person will nowadays there are many partition between the human and man, and this is the very narrow minded person. But here is the many of the condition you can see here. The someone will want to help you, then you cannot understand the language, and you also judge appearance or looking of that guys. That is the not fair. Okay, so read this story and know the singular Srivastav was what to want to telling, and he telling about a family and their response to a strangers. So the story begin with two girls. The girls are Tanvi and Pooja. Both are the girls are talking. So Tanvi telling to the Pooja that forgot it, but Pooja did not accept, and he telling that he cannot forget it because of two men. Okay, why? The memory of the two men hitting the car. He also recalling all the accident that happened in the past. And what he recalling that someone there are two person hitting the car window, rattling the door and shouting loudly, Advia, Advia, and still hunts her. Okay, so he telling about next the accident will happen. He telling that she had decided whether she liked Afghanistan or not. Okay, she is not confirmed that she likes Afghanistan or she did not like it. Okay, she knew his father that though he had gone to the Afghanistan for 4 months, and there he working as a engineer in the at the Khanabad irrigation projects. And the Pooja and her brothers also stay back the uncles and aunts home in the Delhi. Okay, but they has gone to spend their holiday in the with the parents as a small town Kunduz that was the not far from the Russian border. And there they visited the historical places, many of the historical places of the box over the weekend, and there they were on their way back when everything began to oppress her. Oppress means to someone feel uncomfortable. It means when they reached in the Afghanistan, they did not feel comfortable. The stillness of the wild rocky mountain, and she also mentioned the nature condition of that area. She telling about that there are rocky and mountainside. They are looking that there are spread many of the wild rocky and mountainside bare of the vegetations, and also mention about the ghostly creator who spread a lot of the stones flanking the road on. And she also saying that she also look many of the dust and feel the heat, and she felt everything will create a bad condition, and so as she felt uncomfortable. She did not feel comfortable, and she looked his brother that was the sitting next in the car, and the car was driven by his father. Okay, her father. Suddenly her brothers asking a question to not asking, he telling a statement to saying toward her sister, it means Puja. And what he's saying that each this is the side, this is a perfect side, wherever the this place is very perfect side to hide the dakus. And when this statement heard by her mother, he became started. Okay, started means looking alarmed, and he looked toward her husband. But her husband laughing softly or calmly, and he telling and suggesting to her family that the member of our colleague of our classmate of this side, the man saying that the Afghanis are rather friendly and hospitable. Okay, hospitable means welcoming and generous for the visitors. So next, here Pooja's explaining about the condition of next. She's what the condition. He made his eyes in the rear view mirrors, and he was frightened. She was frightened and looking in the rear mirror to his father, and his father also smiled at her and telling her that don't look so frightened, Pooja. Okay, her father suggested her that don't be panic, we will soon be Taj Kurgan, and from there it is not far a Kunduj. Okay, and his father also telling that soon they reached in the Ajes town. The town name is the Taj Kurgan. Okay, that was not far from the Kunduj, and to change our mood, it means the father wanted to his family was do not be disturbed about to think of the dakus and others unnecessary things. So he suggested to his family that now they sing a song, a few words of the oldies. Okay, so all the members of the family now start to singing of the oldies, and when they are singing, they attempting a loud voice, singing in a loud voice and enjoying that song with the cheerfully. Okay, after the next band, before the road began to rise, her father slowed down and brought the car to the halt on the right side. Okay, they stay in the right side of the bend of the road. Okay, and there they stay. The member of her father also suggested to his family that no worry, it means do not think about the worry. He wanted to checking the rear wheels of the car, and the member became the relaxed, and they opened the door of the car, and they wanted to they wanted to let the some fresh air in the car, and air was entered, but the air was very hot and dry, so it's not any breeze. And her mother, it means Pooja's mother, picked up a fox at her feet, and Pooja wiped her forehead with the handkerchief, and she wished that her desire that he reached as soon as in the Kunduj and take a long bath, and she could take a long bath for to comfortably feel the comfortable. So thinking about that, so on. So her father asking for the water. So Pooja nodded her head and extended her hand while she take the fox or water. The water was fall on the jeans of genes of pujas, and the water also mattering on the cars. The puja's mother scolded the puja, and her brother also telling him as a idiot, and it's caught you to stare past her mother's surprising face at two men rushing toward their cars. It means the accident will next happen. The two person are hanging their hand and running toward the car. The taller of the two charged at them. The other one leaned behind. Accordingly, their eyes glittered from under their soldier's turban. Their ankles length black coat with long sleeve hanging both sides, flapped around them like the wings of some monstrous bird. Okay, you know very well that the dress dress decoration is different to every country, and here is the Afghani. So Afghanis also wore a very loose dresses. Say they wore kurtas, pajamas, and turban on his on her on their head, and that was the very long. And this is the different kind of the tradition, clothes tradition, and they looks like a monstrous bird. Both are the person looks like a monstrous bird, and they were coming straight to the family of Puja. They now, after the seeing this condition, seeing this situation, Puja loudly cried, and she pointed at them and telling loudly as a dakuj. Her mother turned around to stare at them, and at the one swirling a stick above his head and shouting Advia. It means both are person running toward the car. They shouting loudly as a Advia. One of the person will take the stick and hanging the stick, and other person also raise her hand and shouting loudly Advia. Mother shrank to the fox dropped from her lap, and seeing this situation, seeing this scene, her mother become very terrified, and the fall, it means the water was dropped from her lap, and Puja also shouting very loudly, Papa, Papa. Okay, she's shouting, and what will happen next? An attempt to leave the car from the opposite side. Her mother pushed her back and said harshly, "Get back, Puja. Stop acting like a fool." Then he was out of the door and calling to her fathers, Papa, Papa Dakuj. They were coming straight at them. Come back, and they have to leave. Start the car, Papa. Hurry up, please. Okay. It means when the two Afghanis coming toward the car as a running speed, and they also take a stick and hanging at the sky, toward the sky. So here is the Puja completely terrified to seeing this scene. Okay, and she also entered in the car at the opposite side, and seeing this, her mother also scolded her, and after the sitting in the car, her Puja asking to her father, shouting to her father that coming soon and enter in the car. Why? Because the Dakuj are coming. Okay, Dakuj are coming. And Sudhir banged the doors shut and shouted at us, "Shut the doors, winds up the window glass." And after listening the statement of the Puja, the fathers and her brothers, both are the person going inside of the car, and her brother telling that shut the door hurriedly, and and the wind up the window glass. Okay, now Pooja pressed herself back into the seat on the car and paralyzed with the fear. He thinking about that they were Daku, and thinking of this topic, he completely feel that she was paralyzed. Okay, and she kept staring at the two men advancing toward the car at her side. The taller of the two had already reached the bonnet. His left hand slid over the metal and touched her mother's window. He shouted something. Okay, the window was not completely closed, and one of the person will reach at the bonnet of the car and now starting shouting and say wanted to say something, and what he say they are not it means Pooja and her mother did not know. And and this condition they it means they do not close the or wind up. Okay, wind up the window of the car. So wind up your car so here Pooja's brother suggested to her mother. What he suggested that wind up the window of car. Okay, so lock the door, and ma you must lock the door, bring your window up, Pooja, do you hear? And he also calling to her sister Pooja and telling again and again to wind up the mirror of the car, window of the car, and after the wind up you have to lock it. So here is the Pooja did not hear him. Why? Because of the fear. But his voice seemed to reach her from a distance, and she wanted to move wind up the window, but she could not. She just could not move. She was aware of her father's squeezing himself behind the steering wheel, slamming the door shut behind him, winding up the shouted, lock the doors. Then he turned the ignition key once toward the motor start. Okay, and this is the very critical situation for this family. Okay, so I will explain the next part in the next day. So thank you for the watching video.